We're experiencing a thunderstorm. This is bad. Woke up 9 o'clock. Thunderstorm. Oh, whoa. Garbage can. Oh. Oh, shit. I know, we got garbage cans blowing in the street. Thundering. Oh, hold on, I need to shut the TV off. Shit. This shit is serious. What happened? What's the surveillance camera doing?
Blankets are staying on the car, thank God.
Oh, that's good.
Look at how strong the rain is.
Yeah.
Okay, go film out the window.
Alright. So.
It's like it's getting black out there.
Yeah. Look at it, even with no lights on, and with that light shining in, it's like 8 o'clock rather than 5:30. I don't want to open up the, probably should, so you can see a little better. Look at this shit. I know I'm not opening up the screen. A garbage can in the street. Get a thunder and lightning. Crazy. Got a swollen finger trying to put the things on the car. Just ate popcorn, burnt popcorn, and now, oh, whoa, oh shit.
No.
This is crazy.
Alright. Now you'll see it better.
Yeah. Holy shit.
Keep filming.
Alright. I'll film until the battery runs out. Because I only have like a third of a battery left. Alright, well this is amazing, I gotta say. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna see how it looks from the... Hold on. I'll film from the kitchen window here. Oh, look at it. What's this? Is this a thunderstorm or a tornado?
Tornado.
Tornado? Alright.
Can you get a better view out the kitchen?
Yeah, I'm getting a different view. Hold on, I'm gonna quick grab my keys. I'm not going out in the storm, but in front of that door in the hallway film. I will. This is crazy. Whoa, holy mackerel. Whoa. Now you could, huh? Now you can barely see shit, but. Whoa. Always blankets are staying on the car. They're calling for hail. That's why we went down there and did that, which may be, like I said, swollen finger, swollen middle finger, but it's all good. You know it's all bad. It's the culmination of my horrible day. Rain everywhere. In fact, I'm going to close this door because I don't want to risk getting in. Alright. crazy. Right?
It looks like severe wind.
Severe wind. Well, at least it's not hailing, so your car's pretty safe.
Well, it hasn't hailed yet, but it could.
It could.
But at least it's staying on the car. It's not blowing off.
Yeah.
It ain't over yet. It's supposed to continue.
I know. As long as my camera will allow. Oh man, on Friday this is going right up on YouTube, I swear. I'm gonna try squeeze. Probably not a good idea, but I'm gonna try squeegeeing the window so you can try to see it better. This is horrible. Look, friggin'. I don't even know if that's our good. No, that's probably the neighbor. Oh, look at that. Fucking. Well, it's like a friggin' inch of water. I'm sorry I'm cursing so much, but. Up here in Hazleton, we're not really prone to. I mean, just take a look at those trees back there. If you can. Sorry, my viewfinder's in the way. But, I mean, look, the wind's like blowing and stuff. Pretty soon the power's gonna go out. Most likely. Oh, there's that trash can in the street with the garbage all spilled out and shit. Is that a tuna can right there? That could seriously puncture somebody's damn tires. Alright. I went in to check on. It can barely see you, don't worry. How's outside looking here?
It looks very windy.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
So whose garbage can did you see? The neighbor's?
I don't know. It's like a black bin garbage can.
Yeah.
It's in the middle of the street right now.
Oh, that was
in between 15th and McNair here.
Oh.
You want to come take a look?
No. Was it on the front sidewalk? Is that the one that was there?
Yeah, it was blown to the middle of the street.
Well, guess what?
What?
That's why I didn't put garbage out.
Yeah, because you knew somehow it would eventually... It would blow something down, yeah. I mean, seriously. This is a horrible day. Like, one of the worst Thursdays I think I've had. And thank God I'm stuck in the house. Oh, I mean, look. You have to swerve. I feel like being like not a humanitarian, but at least a good Samaritan for gonna attempt to go out there and grab that garbage can. So that people don't have to swerve in the way and then all of a sudden the car is gonna come down the street and head-on collision, you know? So yeah. Dollar General will shut their signs off. Pretty soon the power's gonna go out anyway and all that's left is gonna be whatever amount of battery I have on here. This is continuous filming, by the way. Look at that. Friggin'. That's like a foot or so worth of water. All those days back on Cedar Street and wanting to play out in the rain. Those fucking days are long gone, my friend. I'd rather be inside safe than to brave a friggin' tornado, thunderstorm, gale force fucking winds. Like, this is insane. I was actually watching a movie when it started. Be prepared, as you always say, right, Mom? You know what? I'm gonna go out there and get that garbage can. Here, hold this and film that until the battery dies, alright? You can add your own commentary, whatever. I'm going out there and getting that garbage can.
No, you're not. Come back here. Come back here. First of all, it can't really see the television that well. Forget about getting the garbage can. Because you'll get run over by a frickin' car.
I'm not getting run over by a car. People are almost having head-on collisions out there. Trying to...
Stop and pick it up. Let somebody stop and pick it up. It's not ours. Don't worry about it. I had to go down there, pick recycling up off the street, while freaking tractor trailers buzzed by my head.
Oh, now it's in the middle. Now it's in the middle of the road. This is, I don't know if you can see me, but this is crazy. Like, what? Thunderstorm. Full on thunderstorm. Move over to the right here. Look where it is.
Yeah, but it's not our responsibility. If it was mine, I'd be out there picking it up, but it's not ours. What you can do is go back and knock on the neighbor's door and tell them that it blew out in the street.
Alright. Alright. I'm sorry, but I'm going to keep filming. Apologies to the neighbors. Are they even home? Even. Anybody home? I guess either the neighbors are sleeping through it or they're not there and they're at their friend's house or something. I mean... that side right there, it's where I was, and that's where, like I said, I got that, so sorry for bringing it up again so many times, but it's it. It's locked, okay. Hello? I don't want to, like, knock to the point where I'm impatient and like banging on the door, because that would be inappropriate as a neighbor. Yeah, you know, forget it. They're not answering.
Huh?
They're not answering. Up. And of course, the second I close the door. No.
Where are you?
I'm right here. Somebody got it?
They just stopped in the middle of the street and threw it on the sidewalk.
Yeah, like it's gonna stay on the sidewalk.
Alright, well here's what you're gonna do. Write a note and leave it outside the neighbor's door.
Alright, well I don't really have any paper handy at the moment.
Get a tablet. Maybe you'll see it when you hit
I'm also that you can't see anything. Well, you can see that. It's the popcorn bag. Still like storming out there and shit. Dear neighbors, I knocked on the door to let you know that during the hurricane tornado earlier. I'm writing a note.
Maybe they'll see. Will you shut that off?
No, I gotta keep recording.
Maybe they'll see it when they come home. Get it.
Well, then what was the point of me writing the note out anyway? I swear, you make me do the dumbest things sometimes. Don't even talk to me. I'm having the worst day imaginable. Everything that could go wrong is right now. So let me do my own thing, you do yours. Knocked on the door to let you know that during the hurricane tornado earlier, your garbage can flew into the street and blew one of your guys's garbage bags apart. People were swerving out of the path and time's up. Well, this is going on. Sorry for everything. Bye-bye.